Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Silkin and I make videos of bags, planners, kids and baby products, and coming soon, Disney World. If you like any of this content, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell because with kids I have to go with the flow and I don't have a schedule. Okay, I like to keep my videos short and sweet, so let's move on to what you guys came for. Okay, before I open this box, let me ask you 2 questions that you can answer in the comments below. 1, did you place an order in launch day? And 2, did you receive it already? Okay, so it arrives in the same kind of boxes that they have been used for years now. I have been using Erin Condren products for a while. So let's see what's new this year, or well, this upcoming. So the first thing I see here is a discount code for 15% off. It says, see the back for details. Harmony, find and pitching it perfectly. Here's the things, back to school collection. They give you prices and new things they have. Oh my goodness, they have new bags that actually look pretty similar to what I'm coming out with soon. So if you guys don't know, I actually own Orchid Hearts Design, where I make leather handbags and accessories. Planners coming soon as well. I'm very excited about that. I'll leave the link here below in case you guys want to check it out. But let's move on. Oh, it came broke, or did I break it? Okay, so looks like a small box. Oh my goodness, I forgot that I ordered these dual tip ink markers. I'm excited because all of my favorite pens dried out, so I am excited about this. So it looks like all the colors of the rainbow. Oh, here you go. So you have highlighters and markers. That's pretty cool. Then I ordered these where do you open it from? Oh my god, it's open. Okay. This is the cover of the Asian Heritage Month, I think it was. Isn't that pretty? I think it's so beautiful. Look at the gold pieces here. I love it. Okay. This is adorable. I really like this one. Next thing I got was a pad, my daily routine, and then you can just check like, let's say right now we're having a hard time making my daughter, she's 1, going to the bathroom, so I have to make sure she's going at least every other day, so I like to keep that up, and this is gonna come very, very handy. There you go. Okay, and this is the planner. I didn't order the cover because they didn't have this one when I check out. It says it's sold out. Then I check hours later or the next day and it says it was available. So I only ordered the inserts, and I think it's okay, the compact vertical layout. This is my life. This is the new colors. And I'm gonna open this and show you. Oh my goodness, and I also ordered these. I am very curious of how this works. So let's pull it out. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Let's see. So I think you just put it in here. So this is how it looks. It's just like a clip. You put it in and then you can put your pencils through here. And it is flexible here. It's like a spring, is it called? Then you just put your pencils there. It's very pretty in rose gold. You know what I'm thinking? Because I ordered these, I'm not getting like the whole pouch with the cards and the stickers and the extra things. Now I'm sad, but okay, let's move on to this one. I have here the 2022, what is this? Horizontal layout, the regular size, so you guys can see an A5 what you're missing if you guys decide to try this. I didn't want to do the A5 because I really love this size and I have tried so many planners and I always come back to Erincondren and to this size. But then I decided to order the A5 and come out with my own planners because I create leather bags, so why not planners? So I decided to bring these ones in an extra large size so you can put these planners in. As well, like use those pages because I had these. So this one is like the, what is this? Like the binder of Erincondren, And then it's the size, the same size as the regular size of a planner, but I didn't like the binder. It looks too bulky. So I decided to come out with these planners, leather planners, where you can put your inserts and you can use the same inserts as that ones or the same pages as this, or your happy planner. But now that I tried the A5, I actually love the A5, so I am coming with the A5, the personal size, like a bunch of different sizes on the ring agendas and covers for your favorite planners. Once they release, I will come here and show you everything. It should be next month, but for now, let's look up this one right here and let's put it on this binder, shall we? Even better, what I'm gonna do is put it on this one. This is the planner I'm using right now. It's not gonna end up looking like this. It's pretty similar, but there are a few changes we're gonna do for the end product that is gonna release next month. And right now I am using the horizontal layout on the A5 and the neutral colors that is just all black. So this is how it looks, and this is how I normally use my planners. I just put the things I have to do here, and then on this empty square I just put what we're gonna eat in my house for dinner. So let's make the switch, okay? I'm not only gonna carry leather covers and planners, I'm also gonna carry accessories, so I'm very excited about that. So if you wanna follow me on Instagram so you don't miss the launch day, my Instagram is right here, Orchid Hearts Design, and let's see how this new planner looks. I already put this in the bag, the new things I bought, so it looks everything new here. This is the vellum page. The vellum page looks strange because of all the color, but it says life planner, compact and vertical. This is my week. I didn't go with the neutral because the neutral had actually color, and then I discovered there is a new one. I put it right here after like checking out and whatever. I saw this one, so I might order that one and do a review about that one because it looks like that's the neutral this year actually. So this is how it looks. It kind of look like darker here than and lighter here. Is it the font or the ink? It's very strange, but very simple. This is the 12 squares you have in the beginning that I never use. And then it starts in July. That's very exciting. So I'm able to use this in July. It actually always starts in July. I already forgot about it. I'm sorry. It has been a long year. Anyway, July, it looks very simple and clean. So I actually like it. Let's see what's the difference here. The July right here and the July over there. Okay, so let's see the difference here. This is, what size is this? This is the horizontal layout as well, and I think this is the colorful one that I have here. Actually, I think I could order, last year you could order, I don't remember what this was called, my type or type font something. I'll just put it here on the screen because I don't remember what was this called, but this is how it looks. It was very simple, and this is how this new year looks. Oh my goodness, I forgot I ordered this one. Okay, so I guess I don't have a comparison because this is a new layout called compact vertical layout. I am coming out with a lot of PDF files that I'm designing, so I thought I was not gonna use the square where I put like the meals. I'm just gonna use like a different area of the planner where it says meals. And wow, if I don't like it, I can always use the one that I currently have. That is the horizontal layout on the A5. This is gonna be different, but I'm excited to use something new. Anyway, I have these pages all the way to December, so in case I don't like this, I can just keep using the old ones. But I'm glad I ordered these to see it in person and try something new, because you never know. I'm gonna do a lot of videos about how to print your own PDFs, because now I'm selling PDF files for your A5, your happy planner,
like all kind of sizes in Etsy and on my page. So it's very exciting to see something new here, and I think I'm gonna be able to incorporate this on my new lifestyle. And that's it. Let me just show you here. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. It looks very simple. I actually really like it. It does have the calendar here in the bottom. It doesn't have it here. Does it have it last year? No. Okay, I'm confusing like Emily Lay with Erin Condren, I think. That's it. This is how it looks. And then we arrive to the notes. You have a few pages here of notes, but they also sell the notes separate. Like you can buy a pack of 40 pages or 50, I believe, for only like $5 or 10. I don't remember. I put the thing here. We have the heritage and awareness observance. Let's keep in touch. I thought they had passwords before, but we have that. And then January through December of 2024. That sounds crazy. If you guys have to plan like any cruises or vacation for the next year, you can do so there. And then we have here all the new stickers with the new color theme. That is so pretty. And that's it. Okay, they give you 2 pages of stickers only. That's all I got. In comparison to last year, I think these stickers are much better. It looks like a regular planner now, because last year what they did on the ring agendas was this. They gave us these things, and that's it. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We have come to an end. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Okay, we have come to an end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions or you want me to order something specific for a review, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!